Are you dreaming of starting your own business but struggling to find the perfect idea? What if I told you there are unique and innovative business opportunities waiting for you to explore? Get ready to be inspired as we uncover 10 small business ideas that are not only creative, but also have the potential to thrive in today's market. Whether you're passionate about food, technology, or the arts, there's something for everyone in this exciting lineup. Join me as we delve into these original business concepts and ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit and start your own business adventure? I'm your name, and today we're diving into the world of small business with 10 unique and original ideas that will inspire you to take the leap into entrepreneurship. Starting a small business is an exciting journey filled with endless possibilities, but finding the right idea can be a challenge. That's why I've curated this list of 10 small business ideas that are not only innovative, but also have the potential to stand out in today's competitive market. So grab a pen and paper because you're about to discover your next big venture. Without further ado, let's jump into our list of 10 unique small business ideas that are sure to spark your entrepreneurial creativity. Artisanal subscription box service. Imagine curating and delivering a monthly subscription box filled with handcrafted artisanal products from around the world. From gourmet snacks to handmade crafts, subscribers get a taste of something unique and special each month. Mobile car detailing. Offer convenient and high-quality car detailing services right at your customer's doorstep. With a fully equipped mobile unit, you can clean and polish cars while providing exceptional customer service. Virtual event planning. In today's digital age, virtual events are more popular than ever. Offer comprehensive virtual event planning services, from coordinating speakers and entertainment to managing technical aspects and attendee engagement. Personalized pet products. Tap into the growing pet industry by offering personalized products and accessories for furry friends. From custom pet portraits to engraved collars, there's no limit to the creativity you can offer. Outdoor adventure tours. Connect outdoor enthusiasts with unforgettable experiences by organizing guided adventure tours. From hiking and camping trips to kayaking and wildlife safaris, there's a vast market for outdoor exploration. Plant-based meal prep service. Cater to the growing demand for healthy and convenient plant-based meals with a subscription-based meal prep service. Offer delicious and nutritious plant-based meals delivered directly to your customers' doorsteps. Digital marketing consultancy. Help small businesses thrive in the digital landscape by offering expert digital marketing consultancy services. From social media management to search engine optimization, your expertise can make a big difference for your clients. Vintage clothing boutique. Curate a unique collection of vintage clothing and accessories and open your own boutique. Whether online or brick and mortar, there's a nostalgic charm and timeless appeal to vintage fashion. Remote tech support. With more people working and learning remotely, there's a growing demand for reliable tech support services. Offer remote tech support for individuals and businesses, troubleshooting issues and providing solutions from afar. Indoor urban farming. Transform unused urban spaces into thriving indoor farms, growing fresh produce year-round. From microgreens to herbs and vegetables, urban farming offers sustainable and hyper-local food solutions. And there you have it, 10 unique small business ideas to ignite your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, the key to success lies in passion, dedication, and a willingness to innovate. So which idea resonates with you the most? It's time to turn your dreams into reality and embark on the adventure of small business ownership. Thanks for joining me on this journey of exploration and inspiration. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on entrepreneurship and small business success. Until next time, happy business.